Hello students, today we discuss about the common salt that is also called sodium chloride. First is the preparation. We have a preparation of NaCl. First is NaOH when combined with HCl that gives out a salt plus water. And this is called a neutralization. Why we consider it as a neutralization reaction? Because we all know that when acid react with base it gives you a salt, and this is considered as a neutralization reaction. That's why NaOH and HCl combine together, that gives us salt. So this is considered as a neutralization reaction. We obtain the NaCl, sodium chloride, from the seawater by the process of evaporation. Evaporation means when the water moves from the surface of the salt by the help of a sun. That is considered as a evaporation process. And the second point is that the large crystals of common salt found in underground deposits are called rock salt. We obtain the common salt by the help of a rock salt. So rock salt is usually brown due to the presence of impurities in it. When impurities are present, it is look like a brown color solution, or you can say brown color substance. So this is considered as a rock salt, raw rock salt, you can say. For what are the uses of a common salt? We have a first use. It is used for making large number of useful chemicals. Number of chemicals we obtain by the help of a NaCl, like sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen, chlorine, and sodium metal. These all compounds and metals we obtain by the help of a NaCl. Second point is that it is used in making food. We all know that why salt is necessary for us, why salt is required in our daily life, because it give you taste also, but not besides of taste, we have an importance of it. It is required by our body for the working of nervous system. Our nervous system work on that salt solution. The movement of muscles and the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach make for the digestion of food. So this is the requirement of NaCl in our body. That is most important. It is used in the manufacture of soap. It is also used for the manufacture of soap. We have a equation of this, we will discuss later. And fourth point is that it is used to melt ice which collect on the road during winters. In the northern places, or you can say at the other places where ice is collect, we just melt it with the help of a salt. So salt is just defreeze their structure, that means it just melt out. So it is very useful for us, that means not for us, for the other countries also. So this is if required in a sufficient amount. So this is the preparation, uses of the common salt, or you can say sodium chloride. Just go through it. Thank you.